Hello, techies. This is CompTIA Lab 13.3.9.10, and we're going to configure TCP IP settings on Windows 10. So the major tasks will be to configure the IP version 4 TCP IP settings for both network adapters using the settings below. Ethernet is going to be IP address 192.168.0.254. Subnet mask is going to be 255.255.255.0. Gateway, default gateway is going to be 192.168.0.6. Preferred DNS server is going to be 163.128.78.93. Alternate DNS server is going to be 163.128.80.93. Ethernet 2 is going to be IP address 10.0.255.254. Subnet mask is going to be 255.255.0.0. Default gateway is going to be none, and the preferred DNS server is going to be none. Alternate DNS server is going to be none also. So we still have other tasks here. So let's start up right away. We want to go to Start menu, go to Settings, and under Settings we want to locate Network, and under Network and Internet we want to change let's see, go to Ethernet and go to Properties. Then we'll locate the TCP IP4, IPv4, so Internet Protocol version 4, this is it, and then we want to make certain changes. So we're going to use the following IP address. It's going to be 192.168.0.254. And the subnet mask is going to be 255.255.255.0. And the default gateway is going to be 192.168.0.5. And we're going to use the following server address. So it's going to be 193.128.78.93, and the alternate DNS is going to be 163.128.80.93. So we'll go ahead and click OK. So let's check our answers and see how we do. So we're making progress. We still have one more task, so we'll keep working. Let's close this and we'll go to Ethernet. Okay, let's see. We'll go to Ethernet 2 and we'll scroll down to Properties. Under Properties for Ethernet 2, we want to locate IPv4, and we're going to use the following settings. So for this is going to be 110.0.255.254, and the subnet mask is going to be 255.255.255.0.254. .00. Okay, and this is none. Okay, none. So we'll go ahead and click OK. We close this and let's see how we do. So everything seems correct. If you find this video to be helpful, you know what to do. Like and subscribe to the channel. If you need further assistance, consider joining my professional membership. And if you need to reach me, you can reach me through my email. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.